What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swervo S1K, and you already know we're coming at you with another video. We got the full system going on with the full Akro headers, matching with the SC-Project CRT full carbon can with no DB eliminator on the inside. This thing's pretty loud. Akro all titanium. See it's starting to color a little bit. Starting to turn a little bit. I got some other performance upgrades added to it. Once I get the dyno done with this bike, I'm going to let you guys know all the details about what I've added into it. But today, I'm just going to be doing a testing from stock exhaust to the new SC-Project and Akro setup on the 2023 BMW S1000Rr. So we got the stock exhaust, the stock system with the cat, and let's test it out. So this is the first time me starting the bike today. Let's see what she sounds like off the cold start. Overall, man, this thing sounds mean. It's like perfect, just the way I want it. I was expecting more like of a low tone sound, kind of give it a mean sound look to it, and that's what I got, man. I couldn't ask for anything better with this setup. Shout out to Revzilla for the discount on the headers, Akropovic. And shout out to Motivation for the SC-Project can. Thing looks pretty sweet, matching with the black on the bike. Think about adding some more carbon parts to it. Not sure yet. Let me know what you guys think. Put a comment on some carbon parts you think I should add to the bike to give it a more match with the SC-Project. I think it's pretty fire, honestly. What I like about this setup, it gives it like a low, mean sound to it, where with the stock cat, it just sounds really silent. You kind of don't hear the full bike's potential. Just by hearing this and riding with it in comparison to the other system I had on, the stock exhaust, it's night and day. Like, it'll pop your ears, man. This setup is pretty fire, man. So that was the 2023 BMW S1000Rr on the full titanium Akropovic header unit, matched with the SC-Project CRT can exhaust tip on the K67. Check me out on all platforms. Swervo S1K. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Check me out. Let me know what you think. So let's open her up a little bit and see what she sounds like. So she definitely has a little pop, a little bang to her. Sounds pretty good. What you guys think? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your boys, Swervo S1K. We out of here.